Let us solve the another problem from the oscillation, waves, and optics. Come to the question. So, what is the question? Question is when a system of multiple long narrow slit width is given as 2 micrometer and period of 4 micrometer is illuminated with a laser of wavelength 600 nanometer. There are 40 minima between the two consecutive principal maxima observed in its diffraction pattern. The maximum resolving power of the system is. So we need to find the maximum resolving power of that system. Okay. So the things or the parameters which are given, we need to take care of and can answer it accordingly. Okay. So let us draw this slit. So this is, we know all the slit. These are the openings. So this openings, this value is given as E equal to which is 2 micrometer, right? And the D means period after which this slit opening is there. So this is called D. Means this is called D. So D is given as 4 micrometer, right? And the center to center distance within the slit is taken as E plus D. So E plus D is 6 micrometer, right? So that is our main means that is we can easily view or the usually see from the schematic diagram. And alpha and the lambda, which is the wavelength of the light used, is 600 nanometer, right? So now there are 40 minima between the two consecutive principal maxima as observed in the diffraction pattern. So means as from the theory, there should be between the two principal maxima in the diffraction pattern, there are n minus 1 minima. So here total, so n minus 1 equal to 40, right? Because 40 minima are given, so n equal to 41. So now the resolution R is maximum n into n, R equal to n into n. So R max is equal to n max into n, right? So n max is the maximum. From the principal maximum, we can write that E plus D lambda, E plus D sine theta is equal to n into lambda, right? So E plus D we know for this maximum value means n maximum value, n max will be having E plus D by lambda, right? So into sine theta. For this maximum, this will be for this maximum, this will this sine theta will be 1 and will be getting E plus D by lambda. So what is the E plus D? E is 6 micron, so 6 into 10 to the power minus 6, and lambda is 600 nm, 600 into 10 to the power minus 9, right? So we'll be having 6,000 by 600. So it will give 10, right? So R max will happen max equal to 10 into n. N is 41. So it will be 410. So the maximum resolving power of this system is 410, right? So hope it is clear to everyone. So thank you.